Patty's got some pastoral visits, and the first one I went, because I have to pick her up, I went to Thrifty Nifty, and now the second one I'm fishing in Tupper Lake Boat Launch. Patty a des visites pastorales, puis la première visite j'ai été au bric-à-brac, puis à cette heure je fais de la pêche old boat launch at Tupper Lake. Look at all the stuff they got. They come from across the lake. 2 garbage bagfuls of must be camp gear. Look at that setup. It's a kayak with a pedal. Eux autres, il y avait 2 sacs de vidange, plein d'affaires. Il a peut-être allé au leur camp. Hey, I think that's whiteface. Je pense c'est whiteface, maybe not, I don't know. But look how low, since I've been here last, look how low the lake is with all the weeds. La lac est tellement basse avec toutes les weeds. So, alright, I'm gonna continue fishing. Je vais faire d'autres pêches. Bye from Tupper Lake. Salut to Tupper Lake.